R versus VR, key differences and similarities. R and VR are two advanced technologies that have the potential to change the way we interact with the world around us. They both offer exciting new possibilities for entertainment, education, communication, and even business. In this article, we'll explore the key differences and similarities between R and VR technologies. What is virtual reality? Virtual reality, VR, refers to a computer-generated simulation or environment that immerses users in an interactive experience. VR headsets, such as the Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, and PlayStation VR, create a virtual world in which users can interact with objects and other people. VR headsets aim to recreate a realistic environment that can transport users to a completely different place and time. VR has been around for many years, but until recently, it was primarily used for niche applications such as military training and flight simulations. With the advancements in technology, VR has become a more accessible and affordable technology that is used for a wide range of applications. Today, VR is used for gaming, education, healthcare, and even marketing. What is augmented reality? Augmented reality, AR, is a technology that superimposes digital images and audio onto the real world. AR enhances the real world by adding digital elements such as images, videos, and sounds, making it possible to interact with the real world in new ways. AR can be experienced through smartphones, tablets, and dedicated AR headsets. AR has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the world around us. AR technology can be used to provide context-specific information, such as directions, restaurant reviews, and even historical facts, by overlaying digital information onto the real world. AR technology is also used in gaming and marketing, and has been adopted by industries such as architecture, engineering, and construction. Key differences between AR and VR. There are significant differences between AR and VR technologies, which can be summarized as follows. 1. Immersion. VR aims to provide a fully immersive experience by transporting users into a virtual environment. In contrast, AR enhances the real world by overlaying digital information onto the real world. This means that users can still see and interact with their real-world environment in augmented reality. 2. Headsets. VR headsets are designed to block out the real world and immerse users in a virtual world. AR, on the other hand, uses headsets that allow users to see the real world while overlaying digital information. AR can be experienced through smartphones, tablets, and dedicated AR headsets. 3. Interactivity. VR has the potential to provide a more interactive experience than AR. In VR, users can interact with objects and other people in the virtual environment. In contrast, AR enhances real-world objects by overlaying digital information. 4. Realism. VR aims to recreate a realistic environment that can transport users to a completely different place and time. In contrast, AR enhances the real world by overlaying digital information that is not necessarily realistic. Key similarities between AR and VR. Despite the significant differences between AR and VR, there are also some key similarities, which can be summarized as follows. 1. Gaming. Both AR and VR technologies are used in gaming. VR is used to create immersive gaming experiences, while R is used to enhance real-world environments with digital objects and information. 2. Education. R and VR technologies are also used in education. VR is used to create realistic environments for educational purposes, while R is used to provide context-specific information to aid learning. 3. Entertainment. Both R and VR technologies are used for entertainment purposes, providing a new and exciting way to consume media, such as movies and sports events. 4. Marketing. R and VR technologies are used in marketing to create interactive and engaging experiences for consumers. Marketers are using these technologies to reach audiences in new and innovative ways. As the development of R and VR technologies continues to accelerate, we can expect to see a surge in new applications and use cases. For instance, many industries are already exploring the potential of these technologies to transform their operations. For example, in healthcare, VR is being used for pain management and mental health therapy, while R is being used to help surgeons visualize the anatomy of a patient during operations. Similarly, the travel industry is exploring how R and VR can be used to enhance the experience of tourists. Moreover, as the pandemic has forced us to limit physical interactions, R and VR technologies have gained prominence as effective tools for remote collaboration and communication. Businesses are using VR headsets to conduct remote training sessions and team building exercises, while R is being used to enhance virtual meetings with digital elements. Despite the advantages of R and VR technologies, there are still some challenges that need to be addressed. For instance, the cost of high-quality VR headsets can be prohibitive for many consumers, and there are still some technical limitations that can impact the user experience. Additionally, there are concerns about the potential health risks of prolonged use of VR headsets, such as motion sickness and eye strain. As R and VR continue to evolve, they will undoubtedly transform the way we work, learn, and play. These technologies are shaping up to be a vital part of our lives, and as they become more mainstream, we can expect to see more creative and innovative applications. One area where R and VR technologies are already making a significant impact is in the world of gaming. VR technology creates a fully immersive gaming experience, allowing users to feel as if they are part of the game world. With highly realistic graphics and interactive elements, VR gaming is an incredibly engaging experience that can transport users to entirely new worlds. However, the potential of VR gaming goes far beyond just entertainment. VR technology is also being used to train military personnel, pilots, and astronauts, providing a highly realistic simulation of the situations they may encounter. VR technology can help prepare for high-risk scenarios, such as emergencies and disasters, allowing workers to practice their response in a safe and controlled environment. Our technology, on the other hand, is being used in a wide range of industries, from architecture and engineering to healthcare and marketing. R provides context-specific information that enhances the user's understanding of the surrounding environment. In healthcare, our technology is being used to visualize and simulate medical procedures, providing doctors and surgeons with critical information that can help them deliver better patient outcomes. In the education sector, R and VR technologies are providing students with new and immersive learning experiences. VR technology is being used to create realistic simulations of historical events, scientific experiments, and more. Our technology is providing students with context-specific information that enhances their understanding of the world around them. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see a surge in new applications and use cases. The potential for these technologies is enormous, and their applications are only limited by our imaginations. As with any new technology, AR and VR have their share of challenges and limitations.